Hello everyone, welcome to Swiflearn. Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for the classes 1 to 10. Here, we are providing 100% live and interactive classes and personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students. That's why teacher can pay a lot of attention towards the kids and the class will be more engaging and learning will be effective. So everyone, welcome to today's session. Today is a meditation session and this is your teacher Naina. Welcome and have fun. Alright, so guided meditation for the kids. Welcome everyone. So children benefit from the use of guided meditation for relaxation and stress relief. You can guide your child to processing through their anger in a healthy way. When you help our children to learn how to both feel and release anger at an early age, they will develop the lifelong tools for handling emotions positively. So let's guide them and let's do it. So all the kids, now get ready for your meditation and be positive and have fun. Let's sit in a quiet place and keep your body and mind calm. And let's try to follow teacher's instructions as well. Now get ready, keep your back straight and sit comfortably and close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now take a deep, nice breath and as you slowly exhale, imagine erasing all your thoughts for a moment as if you were erasing words and pictures on the chalkboard. You are doing really great and slowly see all the thoughts and busyness of the mind fade away. Slowly, very slowly, watch the eraser glide over the blackboard. Allow it to relax your mind and body. Our minds are very fascinating. They will hold on to the thoughts that we focused on the most. When we focus on a thought intensely or think it over and over, it brings up certain feelings within us. These feelings can be of happiness or excitement, but they can also be thoughts that make us angry, afraid, or sad. Feelings are never wrong or bad, and thoughts are simply things our mind think. Take a deep breath again and slowly exhale. Focus upon your breath. Let's take a moment to talk about anger. Everyone feels angry sometimes. Anger is not bad or wrong, but we must be mindful of what we say or do when we are angry. We can be in total control of our emotions while processing a logical response to a situation. This means we can feel angry about something, but we can still choose to think before we respond to that feeling. We can think about how our words might affect the person who hears them. We can imagine how our actions will get another. Let's focus upon that. It's good practice to think about our anger before we react to it. We can respond in a way which express our anger by choosing our words carefully. We can explain why we are angry to those who care about us and talk about it. Feeling anger doesn't mean we need to use angry words. We can express our dissatisfaction while still using caring words. Try to remember all those events which made you really angry and how badly you reacted to it. Deep inside, we know that we wouldn't be angry about something unless we cared about it. So next time you are feeling angry, Notice how the anchor feels and then take a few deep breaths before you respond to that feeling of anchor. When you respond, you will have a thought about why you felt in that way, and you can learn to better understand and know yourself. Our feelings can be a gift to us when we take time to understand why we feel that we do. It's rather magical, isn't it? Life is just so full of wonderful experiences and situations that help us know ourselves better. Even anchor, we can always learn something and improve ourselves thanks to our experiences, which is the true gift. Everyone can have that gift. Life grows with us, we grow. It presents new things, lessons, and situations to us each and every day. So we can always try to be the best person we possibly can. Take in a nice deep breath. Now, when you are ready, you can open your eyes. You have done an amazing job today learning about new ways to deal with the feelings and emotions. Everyone, take a deep breath through your nose, hold it for a second, and slowly and gently exhale it through your mouth. One more time. Inhale, exhale. All right, that's a great job. Now get ready, open your eyes. Well done, everyone. You did an amazing job for the meditation, and please practice meditation. You can do it. Thank you, everyone, for coming today. And if you like this channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you will never ever miss any important updates from us. And if you like this session, please like, comment, and share. Thank you, everyone, for coming today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.